Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, inshallah, I will explain you a tajweed rule called MADD Lazim. In MADD Lazim, first we need to know what is MADD Lazim. MADD, when we stretch the sound or the the voice by long time. Lazim, this is a type of MADD, and this is the strongest type of MADD. Why? Because it's the longest one. We stretch it by 6 harakat, 6 beats. The symbol of MADD looks like this. When you see it in Quran, and we will see it in the later in the coming slides, it will looks like that. You will know this is MADD. Okay? Nice. Types of MAD, we have two main types of MAD. MAD لازم كلمي and MAD لازم حرفي. When you, I need you to memorize these two words, نقص عسلكم, and you should tie it with MAD لازم حرفي. We will know the rule of these two words in next slides, but I need you to just memorize it now. So نقص عسلكم is related to مد لازم حرفي. Okay, we have two types of مد لازم كلمي and مد لازم حرفي. Each of them have two categories. مد لازم has two categories. مد لازم مثقل and مد لازم مخفف. مد لازم حرفي مثقل and مد لازم حرفي مخفف. Okay, what does it mean مد لازم كلمي and مد لازم حرفي? مد لازم كلمي, it means it occurs in a word, and مد لازم حرفي, it means it occurs in opening letters of some surahs. Let's start by the first category, the مد لازم كلمي. It should happen in one word. So the word here is ضالين. Okay, but how to pronounce it correctly? Let's say we have the symbol of mad here, and then the second letter lam, حرف lam, we have symbol of shadda. If we have symbol of shadda or symbol of sukun after symbol of mad, then this is the mad lazim. How to pronounce it? Let's say ولا الضالين. You will notice that we stretched the vowel of mad by 6 beats. 6 حركات. 6 حركات. Again, more examples. ولا الضالين. We have again here mad lazim, and here in the same word we have two mad lazim, the symbol of mad, and then we have shadda, the symbol of mad, and then we have shadda. This called mad lazim مثقل. If we have in the letter of after the symbol of mad we have sukun, then it's called mad lazim kalimi مخفف. And this is the topic of the next slide. Now let's practice these examples here. فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى قال أتحاجوني في الله وقد هدان. Okay, now the second type of mad لازم كلمي is مخفف. It only appears in Quran in one word, but this word appears twice in Surah Yunus, and this word is here in two here, الآن and الآن. how to pronounce it correctly, you will notice that we have the MAD symbol, and then the letter after MAD, lam, we have symbol of sukun. So we will stretch the vowel by 6 harakats. Ana. No, this is not correct because it's not 6 beats. Again, الآن وقد كنتم به تستعجلون. Okay, now let's explain more about مد الحرفي. We just finished the مد كلمي. مد حرفي, I said to you in the first slide that we should memorize these two words, نقص عسلكم. When you write the letter in its basic form, uh, look here in these two words, how many letters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 letters. I wrote them down here. And then let's start by first one. حرف النون. نون. Its basic form consists of 3 letters. The first one is noon, and the last one is noon. In the middle, we have med wow. Okay, let's move to the second letter, qaf. When we write it in the basic form, we will notice that the first is qaf, and the third is fa, and the middle is med, alif. So with all letters, we have med in the middle. So that's why we call it مد لازم حرفي. These letters that apply مد لازم حرفي. Okay, you will say, but we have حرف الجيم. The first one is letter and the third is letter, and we have مد ياء in the middle. Why it's not here? Okay, حرف جيم doesn't appear in any beginning of any surah. So that's why it's not in this two words. Okay, so these two words only the huruf of the beginning of the letters in the beginning of surahs. Now let's practice the mad lazim. We will stretch by 6 harakat, 6 beats. Now let's start. صاد قاف نون. You will notice here, حاميم, we have two letters. One apply for مد لازم, and the first is not from the حروف of the word, the two words of نقص عسلكم. So what is the condition here? It's مد طبيعي, just only two حركات. So let's pronounce it now. حميم. And the same here. طاسين. And here. ألف لام را. The last example. كاف ها يا عين صاد. Okay, I hope the examples are clear and obvious. We will practice them again and more in our uh, daily reading of Quran. But before we end this session, I want to add something that the huruf of the beginning of surahs. Uh, in this sentence, we have نص حكيم قاطع له سر. We have 14 letter appears in the beginning of surahs, and these letters collected in this sentence. So this is a second sentence that you need to memorize just to know for adding to your knowledge that this this sentence contains all letters that appear in the beginning of surahs. Now I hope you understand this lesson, and inshallah in the coming lesson we will practice more in MADD Lazim. Thank you for watching.